nearshore waters from Port Washington, Wisconsin to Winthrop Harbor, Illinois. Lake Michigan from Sheboygan, Wisconsin to Winthrop Harbor, Illinois, 5 nautical miles offshore to mid-lake, until 5:45 p.m. At 4:46 p.m., strong thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 25 nautical miles east of Sheboygan to around Milwaukee to 13 nautical miles east of Kenosha, moving northeast at 35 knots. Hazard, wind gusts to nearly 50 knots. Source, radar. Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Wind Point and North Point Lighthouse. Frequent lightning is occurring with these storms. If caught on the open water, stay below deck if possible. Keep away from ungrounded metal